Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, black color, yellow color, red color, green color, and white color. Kids, now draw ABC. And first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and U is blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and U is black color. The alphabets of C. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and U is yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for goat, G for grapes, and U is red color. The alphabets of G. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids, now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I, and U is green color. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. It's now draw K. K for kite, K for king, and U is blue color. The alphabets of K. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.